the short vowel A sound. The aim of this video is to help you improve your pronunciation skills. Maybe you wanted to apply as a call center agent or be an ESL tutor working from home, or you just wanted to improve yourself professionally. I hope this will be of great help. Now, as we go along the exercises, please repeat after me. Now, let's begin with the vocabulary words. Please repeat after me twice. Jab. Jab. It means to pierce or prod someone or something with or as if with a pointed object. Please read the meaning. Great. Now let's have the example. Please repeat after me. Dan jabbed Fran in the ribs. Again, Dan jabbed Fran in the ribs. Great job. Now let's go to the next word. Please repeat after me. Lag. Lag. It means falling or staying behind. The act or the condition of lagging. Please read the definition. Now let's have the example. Please repeat after me. This computer lags every time I use it. Let's read it again. This computer lags every time I use it. Perfect. Let's go to the next word. Nab. Nab. It means to catch or seize in a rest. Please read the meaning. Now, let's have the example. Please repeat after me. The police managed to nab the thief just as he was trying to escape the scene. Again, the police managed to nab the thief just as he was trying to escape the scene. Well done. Now let's go to the next exercise. It's the words. I'll read the words once. Please repeat after me. Now, let's begin. Back, bag, ban, bath, cab, cat, Dan, fan, fat, hat, jab, jam, lag, lap, nab, nag, nap, pan, hat, ram, wrap, rat, rag, sag, sap, tab, tan, tap, van, that. Perfect. Well done. Now, let's move on to the next exercise, and it's about phrases. Now, please repeat after me. Let's begin. A black cat. A bad hat. Catch a ball. Mad at that. sad, fat. That man. Jack ran fast. Back in time. Well done. Now this time, let's go to the next exercise. It's about the sentences. Please repeat after me. The cat sat on the mat. Dan had a bad nap. A man ran past the flat. Pat sat at a small table. The bag is on the rack. Well done. Now let's go to a more challenging activity, the tongue twister. I'll read it slowly first. Please repeat after me. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Let's do it a little faster. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? A little bit faster. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? This time, can you do it yourself? Start slowly first and then a little faster. This time, a little faster. I hope you are doing great in this tongue twister. I know it's quite challenging. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is the short story. I'm going to read it line by line, and please repeat after me. Let's begin with the title, The Bad Plan. Dan and Pat were friends who lived in a flat near a big park. One day, they sat on a mat and made a plan. Let's catch a rat, said Dan. A rat? That's bad, said Pat, scratching her head. But Dan was sure it would be fun. They took a bag and went to the park. They ran fast, looking everywhere for a rat. They passed a man walking a dog, but no rat in sight. After a while, they sat on the grass, feeling sad. Maybe the rat had a better plan, said Pat. Dan laughed. Next time, let's just nap instead. They both agreed, and off they went to take a nap. Well done. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you. Have a great day.